Are you tired of frequent salon visit or expensive spa treatment? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I will be guiding you through the process of waxing your body hair at home, saving your time and money. Fun fact, I have hair on my fingers. Yeah? Before starting this video, let's see if we have everything we need to wax. So first we need a wax heater. I got this one from Meesho for around 200 rupees 2 years back and it still works good. Next we need is powder to absorb any moisture. And we need wax, obviously. Wax applicator, and for that I'm using ice cream sticks. Aloe vera gel for after wax soothing. Wax strips. So there are two sides of the wax strip. To make it clear, I use the side which has more color, and that is the side which sticks to the wax. I will be cutting the wax strip into two. This will make your waxing process much more easier. So I will be applying powder on all over my hand wherever I want to wax, and this is done to absorb moisture. There are instances when you can use the wax without using the powder, but I like to use it. Now I will be heating the wax in this wax heater. If you do not have wax heater, that's fine. You can also heat your wax in the oven. Just make sure that your wax is not too hot or else you can get burned. So yeah, it should not look like this. It has a very water-like consistency. Switch off the wax heater and let it cool down for a while. And this should look something like this. With the help of this ice cream stick, I will apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Apply a thin and even layer of the wax. But also make sure the layer is thick enough to grip the hair properly. Place a wax strip over the wax and press it down firmly, leaving a small portion of the strip at the end to serve as a dab. Smooth the strip in the direction of hair growth to ensure it sticks well to the wax. And yes, if you have sensitive skin like mine, you are bound to have some kind of redness while you wax. If you are nervous or new to waxing, begin with a small area. For me, I am used to it, so I'm taking large sections, but if you're new to waxing, you should start with a smaller area. This allows you to gain confidence and get accustomed to the sensation. When removing the wax strip, pull it off quickly and firmly in one swift motion, keeping it parallel to the skin surface and pulling it against the direction of hair growth. Pulling slowly can be really painful and less effective. And yeah, this is me carelessly doing it. So when your pull is not quick enough, this is what happens. And now I'll be waxing my hand as well. And for that, you have to tightly hold your fist and then apply the wax. Keep your fist as tight as possible so that it does not hurt you as such. tighten my arms before pulling off the strip. Some places are really tough to handle, but with time you'll get to know what hand position you should do so that the wax does not, hurt you so much. After washing my arms with water, I will be applying aloe vera gel. Now this will help to smoothen down any redness or irritation that is caused due to waxing. If you have watched my hair removal videos, you would know that this body hair is nothing compared to what I used to have before, and it is due to waxing and epilation that my hair has grown lighter than it used to be. But since I do have thick hair growth, I grow hair everywhere. So yes, we are going to wax them off right now. We'll follow the same steps. First, we'll apply the powder. Always make sure that the wax is not too hot. And just like I said before, I'll be applying the wax in the direction of hair growth. Now cutting the wax strips into two. Hold the base of your leg with your free hand to tighten it. I like to look at the other direction so that, it's just a mechanism to counter my pain. And once I know that it's not gonna pain so much, I'm all good to go. You guys, look at all this hair. We are going to bury it. Yes, that is true. I am going to wax my feet as well. You see, I'm very hairy. And you can see the struggle that I'm facing right now, filming and then waxing. It's a real struggle. So when I'm using a soft wax, I really do not use any sort of oils. I just wash my legs with water. I'll be using a wet towel to remove any wax residue. So after waxing, I'll be using aloe vera gel to soothen up my skin and reduce any sort of inflammation.